Tai Chi is a wonderful low impact exercise that can really help us stay fit and healthy. Its movements can help improve our strength and maintain our balance. It can help our joints stay mobile and flexible. I'm here to show you how 5 minutes of easy Tai Chi movement practiced every day can really help you stay active for life. Taking our feet slightly wider than hip width and really focus on maintaining a lovely posture throughout, everything relaxed and well within your comfort zone. We're going to inhale as the arms rise to shoulder height, and exhale, we're sinking the body weight through the legs and into the floor, into that horse stance. Inhale here, arms rise, and exhale, lowering down. Hold a mirror and place the other hand on the tabletop and turn the waist. We're swapping the hands and turning the waist in the opposite direction. Focusing on the upper hand and following. Keeping the breathing calm. Inhale here and exhale, sinking down into that horse stance. This time, holding the mirror, and we're going to add our side bow stance. And the other way. Taking the feet slightly wider, and then we can sink into a deeper horse stance. Inhale and exhale, sinking the body weight into the floor. Over to side bow, And this time we're going to stay low and slide through horse stance over to the other side. Being very present and mindful of our movement, focusing on those hands and keeping the breathing calm. One final time through. Enjoy the movement. Like we're pushing away through the clouds and push to the side. Let's inhale here and exhale, regulating the breath. And then stretching high to the ceiling and open out, relaxing as the hands come down. Let's do that again. Nice stretch high. And opening the chest, taking your time. And bringing ourselves to our finish. I hope you follow that short Tai Chi session every day for the next week and see how you feel. Hopefully you will feel that you've had some benefit to your physical and also your mental well-being. Do let me know in the comments below and put a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this session, and check out some of the others on my playlist here at Freshfield Fitness YouTube. Thanks guys!